At newcarselloff.com, we know in Canada, next to buying a house, a car loan is one of the largest purchases made. And that's why financing your new car purchase is a great solution. Approximately 87% of new cars purchased are financed, and the sources of financing is tremendous. Canadian car loans are accessible through Canadian banks like TD Canada Trust, and at credit unions, even dealerships offer financing directly through car manufacturers, making it possible to find a variety of financing solutions. Finding the right vehicle to buy in Canada with financing is made easy at newcarselloff.com. We have the best online search site offering a huge selection of deeply discounted new and used vehicles. Canadian car loans are categorized by a borrower's excellent, good, or bad credit and referred to as prime, non-prime, and subprime car loans. Car loans advertised with 0% or low interest rates typically target borrowers who have excellent credit. Often these special finance offers are limited to a small selection of vehicles. So when you apply for financing, your credit score determines the car loan category, the finance rates, and loan terms. Prime car loans are meant for people with perfect credit. They offer the best car finance rates and terms. Whereas non-prime rate car loans have higher finance rates and meant for people with less than perfect credit and usually require down payments. Subprime car loans are meant for credit-challenged people, have the highest finance rates, and require large down payments. So which car loan is for you? Well, that depends on your credit score. Not sure what your credit looks like? NewCarSelloff.com recommends you check with agencies like Equifax and TransUnion, who provide free credit reports to Canadians. And hey, if you need to fix your credit, we offer free, easy-to-apply credit repair consultation on our site. If you're in a hurry, no problem. Simply apply for financing right now. NewCarSelloff.com provides access to many Canadian car loans and lease options matching your credit needs. Financing your next car purchase is easy at NewCarSelloff.com. We're your connection to your next new or used car purchase and finding the right car loan for you. Apply today.